Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Bead Temptation on Facebook. Pam sent me some really cute stuff, and I placed an order with her. I've already gone through it. I cheated because I was really excited about what I got. But I will show you everything. So in the last video, I got from her a lot of shell stuff, and I saw that she had some new stuff on her site that I didn't get last time, so I got them. This time I got two shell like bib pieces. So this one's really pretty. It's like a nice brown, nice like chocolate champagne-y color. It's carved. And then I got this one. And these are made in the Philippines. So it's like brown lip shell with some white. Beautiful. So much iridescence on there. Gorgeous. And then I bought some beads. Oh, we've got some shell leaves. These were $3.75. Aren't these gorgeous? OMG. Look at the iridescence. Oh my gosh, those are so beautiful. Such a beautiful turquoise color too. We've got some etched beads. I love these things. So much fun. So many different colors on them. And I think she sent these last time and I just wanted more, so I got them. Such a cool print. And then I really liked the matte ones. I just love those. Those make me happy. And then we got these beads. Aren't these amazing? They look like 70s, 80s to me. Aren't those gorgeous? Just that huge pop of color. They make me so happy. Beautiful. Okay, so let's see what she sent. First thing I noticed was this box. It's on her site. She's selling it for $12.50. It's a huge box of eye pins. Let's see what's all in here. I think it's just a bunch of different sizes. So these look pretty long. And then we've got slightly shorter ones, some teeny tiny baby ones if you're using smaller beads and you don't want to use a whole large eye pin. These are great. Thank you. Thank you, Pam. Next, she sent this box, which is also $12.50 for a box. And it's all full of hearts. And then you've got some removable little sections here. So I'm going to kind of open these up and look through them. There's the first one. It's got little flowers on it. I love those. Those are so cute. And they're beads, not charms. You could turn them into charms. Got some heart and wing charms. So cute. These are large hole. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. I could use them for like little stamps and polymer clay if I wanted, but those are so cute. These are smaller with some scrolls on them. Very cute. Oh, these are adorable. Perfect for painting too. Oh my gosh. I love the little patterns on these. I haven't seen some of these before. And that they're all hearts just making me so happy. Look at that little like flower or starburst or something on them. They're little squat little fat hearts. I love them. Oh, like little, not tribal, but like Irish. What is that? Oh, I forget the word. I'm the worst, but you know what I'm trying to say. I'll remember it like 3 years from now, what word I was trying to use. But those are really cute. Perfect for St. Patty's Day coming up. Then look at these. Oh, they're puffy. I love them. Look at that pattern on them too. It almost looks like an evil eye, but not. Oh, it looks like a sun, a star. I love it. And then we've got, oh, these are pretty. Pam, this like little box is pretty awesome. Okay, these are charms. Very pretty. And last but not least, we've got little tiny babies. Look at them. They're like little puffy hearts with, they almost look like quilted. So cute. Thank you, Pam. That's an adorable little box. All right, and then we have this little baggie of beads. First, we've got some painted beads. These are like coated with purple and white and orange. Those are some funky beads. I love them. I love all the bright colors that Pam carries. Love, love, love. And then she has these. I can't remember what she said these were. I think they're ceramic. Yeah, I think these are ceramic, but they almost look like turquoise and spiny oyster, like the same colors. So if you have any turquoise and spiny oyster and you need beads that match, these would really work. These would look really good with a lot of Southwest stuff or a lot of seashell stuff. These would be really pretty. Love those. Look at these. And it looks like she sells these for $8.50. They're gemstone, like multi-stone hearts. Oh my gosh, the way I see sodalite, I see aventurine, I see agate, I see opalite. Oh, it's actually a necklace. Look at that. It's actually a necklace, but you could take it apart if you wanted to. We see some quartz, maybe a jasper. Not sure, and I'm not sure what that is. Maybe it's either smoky quartz or it's agate. This is super cute. You know I love hearts. Oh my gosh, love it, love it, love it. Ooh, we've got some crystals. Cute little, translucent with luster. Gorgeous. Got a half metallic. Half like smoky color. These are gorgeous for spacers. And then we've got little donuts. I didn't really open these when I went through it before, so. Oh my gosh, they're multicolored. They're almost like unicorn colors. These are so cute. So many different ways you can use these too. Oh my gosh, I love them. Those are fun. Those are really fun. Got a couple more things. Oh, she did send me some. My mom loves campers like this, like the old versions, and I just love them. They're so cute. Aren't those adorable? Got to make my mom some earrings with those. And then, oh, cute little pendant. What is this? Aw, look, it's got little fishies, starfish, some sea life on a little, it's painted onto an acrylic shell. So cute. And then we've got little mother of pearl hearts, which you know I love, love, love. Pearl, mother of pearl and heart in one bead. And look at that nacre on there. This looks like a unicorn bead. And then last but not least, we have these multicolored crystal cubes. That's kind of cool. I think, look. That necklace kind of just made itself. These look really nice together because of all the funky colors going on. Look at those. So pretty. Thank you so much, Pam. She's Bead Temptation on Facebook. I will leave a link in the description below. Let me know what your favorite thing was. And stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. You've been in my face for at least a half hour, but the second I get the camera out, you act like I'm the paparazzi and you don't want me around.